Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix iOS 26 update not showing on your iPhone. For example, if you want to install latest iOS 26 on your iPhone and if you try to search for the software update and you do not find any iOS 26 on your iPhone. For example, if you go to general and check for software update, and here you will not find any iOS 26 update on your iPhone. So how you can get that iOS 26 update on your iPhone? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. As you can see, here is iOS 18.5 update is showing and iOS 26 update is not showing. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have turned on the beta updates on your iPhone, because recently iOS 26 beta is shown on iPhone, which means official iOS update is not shown. So if official update is not shown and you want to install the iOS 26 update, then what you have to do, you have to simply first of all join the Apple developer program. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply register yourself in the Apple developer program, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, what you have to do, you will find the option of beta updates, and here you have to make sure that you have turned on the iOS 26 developer beta on your iPhone. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back and you have to click on software update again. And as you click on software update, you will find the iOS 26 beta profile on your iPhone iOS 26. So here you will find that. So here you have to simply click on update now. So if you want to use the beta profile, then you can simply click on that. But if you want to enjoy the official iOS 26 and it is still not showing, and official iOS 26 has been launched, but you are not unable to get that, then you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem and you have to contact the Apple support program so that they can connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.